Welcome to Medconnect. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare and exploring a product that's been making waves for its hydrating prowess, the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. What is the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5? This product is a lightweight serum formulated with a combination of hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5. Hyaluronic acid, a substance naturally found in our skin, is a powerful humectant known for its ability to attract and retain moisture. Paired with vitamin B5, which aids in enhancing surface hydration, this serum aims to replenish and revitalize the skin. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance found in the skin that helps to keep it hydrated and plump. The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 is a topical serum that contains a blend of 3 different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid, as well as vitamin B5. This combination is designed to provide hydration to multiple layers of the skin. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant, which means that it attracts and retains moisture. It can hold up to 1,000 times its own weight in water, making it an effective way to hydrate the skin. What are the benefits of using the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5? There are many potential benefits to using the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5, including 1. Hydration. Hyaluronic acid can help to deeply hydrate the skin, leading to a plumper and more supple appearance. 2. Reduce wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by plumping up the skin. 3. Improve skin texture. Hyaluronic acid can help to improve the overall texture of the skin, making it smoother and more even. 4. Strengthen skin barrier. Hyaluronic acid can help to strengthen the skin barrier, which can help to protect the skin from damage. Additionally, hyaluronic acid can assist in maintaining the skin's moisture barrier, potentially reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. Its lightweight consistency makes it easy to incorporate into a skincare routine, fitting well with other products. Are there any side effects of using the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5? The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 is generally well tolerated, but some people may experience mild side effects such as redness, irritation, or dryness. These side effects are usually temporary and go away on their own. If you experience any side effects that are severe or do not go away, discontinue use of the product and consult with a dermatologist. Overall, the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 is a safe and effective way to hydrate the skin and improve its overall appearance. It is a good choice for people with all skin types, including sensitive skin. How to use the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. 1. Cleanse. Start with a clean face. 1. Gently cleanse your skin and pat dry. 2. Apply the serum. Take a few drops of the serum on your fingertips and gently massage it onto your face and neck. 3. Follow with moisturizer. Allow the serum to absorb for a minute or 2, then follow up with your regular moisturizer to seal in the hydration. 4. Sunscreen. If using in the morning, always follow up with sunscreen, as hyaluronic acid can increase skin susceptibility to sun damage. 5. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. 5. Using this product regularly, preferably in both morning and evening routines, can help achieve optimal results. 6. Before incorporating any new product into your skincare routine, especially if you have specific skin concerns or conditions, it's advisable to consult a dermatologist or skincare professional. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, talk to your doctor before using the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 offers promising hydration benefits, potentially transforming your skincare regimen for the better. Have you tried it yet? Let us know in the comments below.